Okay, here's a quick video on how to find squeaks in a floor. First of all, there's a science behind it. Okay, you have usually either a nail or a staple. Now, if you have a staple like this, what happens is it staples the floor down, right? Now, when you press down on the wood, that either causes it to flex upward because you're pressing down, and then the staple moves upward, which causes your squeak, or when you're pressing down on the floor, that the staple stays where it is and it rubs, and that's what's causing your squeak. Or if you have a nail, right, same principle. You press down, it moves the nail up a little bit or down a little bit because it's not screwed in, so it squeaks. Or you're pressing it down and it's rubbing on the nail, so that's what's causing your squeak. This floor on our house is built in 1986, has staples. Let me show you. If you look, there's some staples here, right, all along the floor joist. Now, I'm going to show you real quick on how to taking that principle, that principle, I'm going to show you how to real quick find a squeak. So, if you're going and walking around, just heard one, right? So what you do is you stay where you're at, and you're going to use mostly the balls of your feet, because it has the most weight. And then you can use it to rock back and forth. You want to do minute movements, right? But you want to hear where the squeak came from and rotate to that direction. So, we know it's this way, a little bit. Continue. Goes it over there. There you go. Get closer. Ooh. Now, you just have to look for things all bad up here. What's over here? Staples. See that one? If you look really close. I don't know if you can see that. I can actually see the wood flexing there. So that's how you know. And that's how you find a squeak. So I gotta take all these out, and I'm gonna use screws, and it should take care of the squeak. Now here's a tip to how to take these staples out. What you do is, this is what people can mostly call a crow's foot. So it looks like this, one end and then this end. So what you'll do is hammer on sideways, if you look like that. You can catch a end right there. And what this is, prise it up just enough so that you can use your other end to pull it out. Just like that. Now, what happens if you're taking out this staple and it breaks like that, right? See that? So what you're gonna do, I have a pair of pliers here. Let's say you're gonna go like this. Let's take out this short end one here. You use this the bottom part to wedge it. So when you push it, it goes like this. So you're actually, I'll show you. It's like this, squeeze. See how it came out a little bit? Grab it all, go down. Stable. Just like that.
basically the secret is you push as hard as you can against the floor, then squeeze, rotate to one direction. Repeat the process till it comes out. Because if you hammer it in, you still might still have your same problem where the floor will be squeaking. So you got to get these out. That's it. Now the staples are out, let's take a look. Much better. I ended up taking this nail out here and these staples on the side. And what I'll do is I'll use some screws. And since the staples are smaller than the screw holes, than the holes I'll be making, I can reuse one hole of the staples that are already made, the holes are already made. And then it should make no noise. It makes it a little bit right now, but that's more because of the flexing of the wood between the joists. So once I secure it with screws, no more squeaky floor. But huge improvement since I took those staples out. And that's how you do it.